Namaste friends, welcome back to Kaydanivato. In today's video we are exploring to chapter 25 of the Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. This chapter deals with the evidence in inquiries and trials. This chapter explains us how the evidence taken by the court or how the evidence recorded by the court during the inquiry and trials. This chapter includes section 307 to 336. So now we are going to break down this chapter. Key section explain. Section 307 is language of the court. Court must use a language that is understandable to the parties involved, accused, witnesses and lawyers. This section explains that the language of the court must use a language that is understandable to the parties involved, accused, witnesses and lawyers. After that, section 308, evidence in presence of accused. Evidence must be recorded in the presence of the accused or his lawyer, ensuring transparency. Section 309 to 311, different formats of the record. Separate methods of recording evidence are provided for summons cases, warrant cases and sessions trials. Section 312, language of the written evidence records. The records of the evidence must be maintained in a language that is clear and accessible. Section 313 to 315, recording and observation of the witnesses. The behavior of witnesses can be noted and their statements should be properly written down. Section 316 to 317, statement of accused and interpretation. The accused must be allowed to make a statement. If language is an issue, an interpreter must be provided. In some case, if the language is the issue, then at that time court can provide the interpreter to the accused. Section 318, High Court's records. Rule for how records are maintained and transmitted for High Court purpose. Evidence by commission. Section 319 to 336. Section 319 to 320, if a witness cannot attend court, the court may issue a commission to record the witness's statement elsewhere. Section 321 to 323, these explain the types of commissions, who can issue them and how they must be returned. Section 324, adjournments, allows adjournments when required for proper evidence collection. Section 325 to 327, special provisions for medical evidence, scientific experts and identification reports. Section 328 and 329, expert witnesses such as mint officers and scientific authorities are covered here. Section 330 to 333, certain documents and affidavits can be accepted without formal proof. Section 334 to 336, rules about using previous conviction, acquittals and situations where the accused is absent. Let's go through the summary of this chapter. Section 307 to 312, language, presence and recording of evidence. Section 313 to 318, witnesses demeanor, accused statements, High Court records. Section 319 to 336, commission, adjournments, expert witnesses, documents, prior judgment. So friends, this was the chapter 25 of the Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, which deals the evidence in inquiries and trials. This chapter provides us the basic structure of the evidence taken and recorded by the courts during the trial. If you find this breakdown is useful, then share like and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon with next chapter. Till then, bye. Take care. Jai Hind. Stay connected with Kaydanivato.